Here we have a Box folder for a fictional vendor, Lunar Systems. It includes a few typical diligence documents, a SOC 2 report, DPA, security overview, and an SLA. Over in HubSpot, there's also a deal tied to this vendor. We've added some procurement context, including open questions, required documents, and a few known risks. In Manus, Box is connected via the Box CLI, and HubSpot through its connector. Now, using the Box skill, let's run a simple prompt to evaluate vendor risk using the Box folder and the deal context from HubSpot. Manus pulls in the documents from Box, reads the deal context from HubSpot, and connects the two. It extracts key details, checks for gaps, and evaluates risk based on what's actually in the documents. When it's done, the result is saved right back into Box. You get a structured summary of what was found, what's missing, and a clear risk level with recommended next steps. In the end, Box stays at the center of the workflow, managing both the source documents and the generated outputs. This makes it easy to turn the content you already have in Box into structured, repeatable workflows.